Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and this week's video is I'm going to be heading over to the Weird and Wonderful Wood held in Haughty Park near Weatherden. So this is a bit of a last minute thing. It was on yesterday. It's over two days in the week, and I am attending the Sunday. It's been on for a couple of hours. I'm just rushing to get ready as it is a last minute thing headed over there. So hopefully I enjoy it, and then next year I can go back and do the full thing. So yeah, I'm going to head over there now and I shall catch you very soon.
Cellular, modular, interactive, modular, ring, 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 banana phone.
I love it.
Banana phone. Ring, 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 ring.
back of an old truck. The radio was playing, but the frequency was stuck. The only thing that's on my mind is where I'm gonna be. But what I'm gonna do there, that's just what be mystery. Oh, hey, hey, hey! La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, 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 hey. I see you in the club, you're looking very sexy. My number in hope that you will text me. Your eyes are so entrancing, we like the way you're dancing. Now come over here, kiss me or I crush you. The way you're moving, your clothes I want removing. I say something to you that I have never said before. I'm turning you around, and then you hear this sound. Come over here, kiss me or I crush you. Ooh, hey, ooh. Caravans are coming, old guitars are strumming. GP sitting higher with gold around his chest. I was a little shovel that hardly owned a guitar, but mama, there's a girl. Just call her malice, just call her balalat. Lela bala tutte. Just call her malice, just call her balalat. That's the way I like it, baby. Oh. The ace of spades, the ace of spades, the ace of spades, the ace of spades.
And that is the end of today's video. It was absolutely amazing, such a vibe, so cool, so fun to go. Next year I'm definitely have to go for the full weekend, doing both days, the whole day, both days, because I feel like I've missed so much, hence why there's not a big video. But yeah, next year I will go and do the full weekend because I absolutely loved it. So I do hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post, because we've got a couple more England videos and then I'm going travelling around the Isle of Wight. So keep exploring the world one footprint at a time, and until next week, adios.
Oh, hey, hey, hey.